Verbs in English Lesson 1. Color. Color the picture. Look. Look at the sky. Say. Say hello. Trace. Trace the letter. Start. Start the race. Finish. Finish the race. Write. Write a letter. Have. Have breakfast. Circle. Circle the dot. Draw. Draw a picture. Connect. Connect the symbols. Match. Match the words.
Verbs in English Lesson 2. Cross. Cross the word. Join. Join the shapes. Find. Find the paragraph. Sing. Sing the song. Point. Point to the plant. Know. Know the alphabet. String. String the bulbs. Fill. Fill in the blanks. Copy. Copy the answer.
Verbs in English Lesson 3. Count. Count the numbers. Cut. Cut a paper. Paste. Paste the sticker. Name. Name the members. Use. Use the pencil. Make. Make tea. Talk. Talk to our friends. Complete. Complete the question. Follow. Follow the directions. Build. Build your home.